Imagine a world where AI writes all your content. Sounds exciting, right? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using AI to write my entire script for this video. That's right, you heard that correctly. I'm going to let an artificial intelligence program come up with all the ideas, jokes, and even the way I deliver them. Exploring the use of AI for content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can AI really write a good YouTube script? Well, we're about to find out. I've been working with this AI program for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with what it can do. It seems to understand my style and tone, and it's even come up with some funny jokes and interesting ideas that I wouldn't have thought of on my own. Delving into the definition of AI-generated content. Before we delve deeper, let's quickly discuss what AI-generated content actually is. In simple terms, AI-generated content is any kind of content created by an artificial intelligence program. This can include various forms of creative expression like blog posts, articles, video scripts, social media posts, and even books. Understanding the technicalities of AI content generation. AI programs can generate content in a variety of ways. Some programs employ natural language processing techniques to analyze existing human-written content and then create new content that is similar in style and tone. Others utilize machine learning algorithms to learn from vast datasets of text and code, which they then leverage to generate new content. Unveiling the benefits of AI-generated content. There are several advantages to utilizing AI-generated content. Firstly, it can save you a significant amount of time. Instead of spending hours crafting your own content, you can allow an AI program to generate it for you in a fraction of the time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your work. Exploring the quality of AI-generated content. Secondly, AI-generated content can be surprisingly high quality. Fueled by the ability to analyze massive amounts of data and learn from the best writers in the world, AI programs can generate content that is accurate, informative, and even entertaining. Expanding your reach with AI-generated content. Finally, AI-generated content can be used to reach a broader audience. You can leverage AI to translate your content into multiple languages or personalize it for specific audiences, making your content more accessible and engaging for a wider range of viewers. Challenges associated with AI-generated content. Of course, there are also some challenges associated with using AI-generated content. First and foremost, maintaining control over the quality of the content can be tricky. As mentioned earlier, AI programs are not infallible, and they can sometimes generate content that is inaccurate, offensive, or simply not very good. Maintaining authenticity with AI-generated content. Secondly, AI-generated content can sometimes lack the originality and creativity of human-written content. While AI programs excel at mimicking human writing, they can struggle to come up with truly original ideas. Cost considerations of AI-generated content. Finally, AI-generated content can be expensive. The development and maintenance of AI programs can be costly, and you may need to purchase a subscription to utilize them. Putting AI-generated content to the test. So, how did I fare? Can you tell that my script was written by an AI? Honestly, I'm not entirely sure. I think the script is fairly good. It's informative, humorous, and well organized. But there are also parts that feel a little artificial. Evaluating the success of the experiment. The jokes felt a bit forced, and the delivery was slightly robotic. Looking towards the future of AI content creation. Overall, I'm impressed with what AI can do. I believe it has the potential to be a valuable tool for content creators. However, I don't think it's ready to replace human writers just yet. So, what do you think? Could you tell that my script was written by an AI? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For more content like this, subscribe, like, and share.